What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when incoming calls are not showing up on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Experiencing an issue with your iPhone where incoming calls don't appear can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve this problem. First, ensure your phone has a stable cell connection and service. Without service, indicated by no service or no SIM card installed alerts, calls won't come through regardless of your efforts. It's also essential to pay attention to how you interact with your phone when calls come in. Calls either fill the entire screen or appear as a banner at the top. If you find yourself accidentally swiping up and dismissing the call, look for a small black indicator in the top left corner. Tapping on this will take you straight to the call page, allowing you to accept or decline the call as needed. Another critical step involves adjusting your notification settings. Navigate to your Settings app. Scroll down to Notifications and then find the Phone section. Ensure Allow Notifications is turned on. This setting is crucial for alerts to appear. Moreover, the Do Not Disturb mode can prevent calls from coming through. To check, swipe down from the top right to access your control center and ensure Do Not Disturb is turned off. Similarly, ensure that any other focus mode is also not active as it can block calls. If these steps don't solve the problem, a restart of your iPhone can often resolve underlying issues not fixed by other adjustments. To restart your iPhone, follow the following steps in quick succession. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the drag to slide off screen. Drag the slider to the right and turn off your iPhone. Afterward, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on. This process can refresh your system and eliminate any temporary glitches affecting call notifications. Lastly, check for software updates by going into Settings, selecting General, and then Software Update. Keeping your iPhone up to date is vital for fixing bugs that might prevent calls from showing. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.